So hi all, this is Dr. Namrata Ghai. I have been into skin and aesthetics for the last 18 years. I have been working with celebrities, cricketers, models, entrepreneurs and housewives. I have my centers in New Delhi. We recently opened a new center last year in New Jersey, 32 Hollywood Drive, USA, which has been a wonderful experience. We also sell our skin and hair care brand Noor in Europe and in Dubai. So Paris Fashion Week, my latest project, has been my dream come true, and working with Manya who was the showstopper for the Paris Fashion Week, has been a great experience. She's a beautiful human being, a versatile actor and a model. So to prepare her skin and hair for the show was a great experience, and it was really good to work with all the international models and celebrities and being offered this platform. So I'm really thankful to Manya and all my friends, clients, family for bringing me here and helping me live my dreams of Paris Fashion Week.